Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Here we are going to solve another problem in the Codeforces round 108 with the name of A marks. I hope all of you read the problem. Vasya and Mrs. Value is a dean of a department in a local university, and you have to find the number of successful students in the group, and the successful student are those means one if there is exist a subject he is best at particular subject, means who scored the best in the subject is considered as a good student. Let us understand it with the simple test case. Your n is equal to 3, number of students is 3, and number of subjects is also 3. This is the very basic fundamental question, and this type of questions may be asked in the further contest. This is very good question also. In this question you have to go from column wise, because in this question you have to ask this is your first subject, right? This is your second subject, and this is your third subject. That's why we are going from the column wise, right? Because this blue column is your first subject, and who got the highest score will consider as a good student, right? So we will first check the who is the highest scorer. Who is the highest scorer? Then simply we can say that he is the best or not, right? So then for that we simply make an array with all the initial values is equal to 0. Now understand what we are doing. We first simply say max with the name variable m, and in this we will store maximum of the column, right? In this case let us consider the first column. M is equal to 2, max of the column, right? And what and who got the score? Who got this score? M is equal to 2. We will run another loop for that. One loop for finding out the maximum of that column, and another loop for who got the highest score. Right? We will see in the code how we will write the, like in this case m is equal to 0, maximum of the column is equal to 2, right? And who got the score? Your first student and your second student. Then what we will do, means what we will do, we will increase the value of particular index. Like in this case this is your first student, this is your second student, and this is your third student. If the any one of these students will get highest score, we will increase their values by +1. Like in this case who got the highest score? In the case of m is equal to 2, first and second, right? Then we will increase the values by first 1, and third is also remains 1. Now we will go in the second test case, means second column, sorry, not second test case, second column. The values are the subject for 2, 3, 1, and for this case your m is equal to highest score 3, and who got this score? For who got this score? Who? Your second student. And we will go in the loop in the array, and we will increase the value by +1, means 2, right? Now let us go in the third case, third column, 3 and 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. What is the value of m? 3. And who got? Your first student. Get. Now we will increase the index of first by 1, this will go 2, right? Your subjects are over. So the values for in the array is 2 2 2 0, right? And now how many of your students, means if you for this you simply make bool and simply run a while loop or for loop in the entire array, right? Starting from index I is equal to 0 to I is less than n, 0 1 2 means I is less than 3, right? If you find out value at a particular index, then you answer, like initially answer is equal to 0, right? If you find out a value in the index, means there is no 0 is not present in that particular index, then you simply increase your answer plus plus, right? In this case your answer is equal to 0. In this case your answer initially is equal to 0, then you iterate from in entire array, like you find out initially at 0th index is equal to 2, means your answer should be plus 1, right? In the second index, in the first index you will also again find plus 1, then you also increase. Then in the third index there will be 0 present, so we will not include this, then your answer is equal to 2. Similarly you can find out in the another test case. This is the approach of this question. I hope you understand. Now let's go to the code. You simply take the variable and mem set function. This is, I hope you know, this is the function for making all the elements of an array is equal to 0 or 0 or minus 1. Mem set function is generally used for this. Then you input the number marks of a student in the string portion, then you, and I hope why this I will write, you should understand this part. Why I don't write ARR of I comma j is equal to s of j, because if you simply write int, means ARR of I j is equal to s of j, only string of j, this, then it will give you only ASCII value of that. And if you do minus of 0, this will give actual integer value of that, the present element or character you can say. So you have to do this, don't forget. And for maximum element you will you run a loop I 0 comma m is equal to max and ARR of j. And for finding out who got the student, which student get the highest marks, then you simply run another loop, right? If ARR of j comma I is equal to m, then you simply increase the value of array index at particular index, right? Then you simply make another loop for finding out who, if there is 0 present we will not include in the answer, if 0 not present we will increase our answer by plus plus. Here answer is equal to t, we will make another with, means our answer variable is equal to t, because with the same name we can't define, we already initialize our array with the answer name. So see out t your answer, right? I hope all of you will understand this question. Thank you everyone.